Hello sophomores. In this video we're going to walk you through how to sign up for classes for junior year online through the source. So to get to this system you're going to log into the source, and when you log into your source account you will see from the tabs on the left there will be a tab down here that says class registration. It's not showing on my screen because this is just a demo, but it will show on the student screen. So you'll log into the source, click on class registration, and that will bring you to the main registration screen. So if you're looking at the screen, you'll see that instructions are up here at the top, and then all of the course choices are down here separated by subject area. So you'll notice if you look at these icons to the right, any subject area, so English, math, social studies, for example, anything that is a required course for junior year, so core courses, there's a red exclamation point next to it, which means you must choose a class from this category. And then the courses down below are all of the electives, and so anything that you see has a green check mark next to it means you do not have to select a course in that category. You just need to make sure you select enough classes to bring your credit total to 6. So you'll see down here at the bottom, the total credit hours you're requesting is tabulated here. You must request at least 6 credits, at least 6 classes, and the system will not let you submit your requests unless you've selected at least 6 credits and no more than 6 credits. So if you're getting an error, it might be because you're trying to request 8 credits or you're only requesting 5. So please double check that the number of credits you're requesting totals 6. So we're going to walk through what this will look like for a typical sophomore who's signing up for classes for junior year. So starting with English, I'm going to click the pencil icon right here to bring up my choices, and my choices for English are in this box right here. So I can just do regular English 11 or AP English. So for this example, I'm going to choose regular LA 11, A and B. Please make sure you select both A and B for each course. That's fall semester and spring semester to bring you to a 1 credit total. And I'm going to hit OK, and then those courses are submitted right here. Moving on down to math, let's say I'm a sophomore currently in geometry, so the next course I would take would be Algebra 2. So I'm going to select Algebra 2A and 2B as well, again both semesters, and I'm going to scroll to the bottom and hit OK. And then opening up my social studies options for next year, I have 2. I can either do regular US history, that's the social studies course that all juniors take, or I can choose to take AP history. So I'm going to choose just regular US history, A and B, here and here. And then for science, most of you are probably taking biology this year. So for next year, you're going to sign up for Phys-B Chem-B, which is the second year of physical science. You would have had the first year last year when you did Chem A, Phys A. So I'm going to select here's Chemistry B, and then you'll notice these courses are listed in alphabetical order. So I'm not seeing physics, which is the other half of that course. I'm not seeing it on this screen. So I'm going to move to page 2, and it's right here. So Physics B, Chem B will be my junior year science course. So now that I have all my core courses selected, I get to choose my alternates. And for alternates, again, you'll see that they're organized down here at the bottom, either by year long or semester long electives. So in this example, I will want to take, let's see, I'm currently taking Spanish 1. I would love to continue into Spanish 2. I need at least 2 years of a language. So I'm going to open up my world language options. And again, they're listed alphabetically. So Spanish is not going to show up until page 3, it looks like. So there we go. Spanish 2A, and 2B here and here. And I'm going to hit OK. And then I also would like to take yearbook next year. So yearbook is going to be found under the year-long CTE electives. So 11th grade year-long CTE electives, I'm going to click the pencil. And here is publishing yearbook. Again, you'll see this is just a 0.5 and it's a year-long course. So I'm going to find the other 0.5 of that class, publishing yearbook 2, and select them both. So I should be all set with my credit total. I think that's 6 classes. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and yep, I am requesting 6 credit hours. Now you'll notice though that I'm seeing a red exclamation point here for the required alternates. So you must choose at least 4 alternate electives in case you don't get your top choices for your electives. It's really important that we have some other options for you when we're building your schedule in case we can't get you into your top choice. So for my alternates, I'm going to click the pencil to see what's available, and you'll see here at the top you can choose up to 4, and then obviously do not choose the same electives here that you chose above. If you didn't get them the first time, you're not going to get them as an alternate. So for this example, let's see what interests me. I'm going to choose, let's do ceramics as an alternate, and I'm also interested in drawing and painting. I need my art credits. I've heard good things about the independent living course. I'm going to maybe sign up for that. And then I'm also going to choose, let's maybe do a PE class. I'll try the Lifetime Activities yoga class. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK at the bottom here. And then all 4 of my alternate electives are appearing in this box here. So at this point, I've selected all of my necessary courses. I will scroll to the bottom of the page. And again, it's not showing on my screen because of my demo, but on the student screen, there will be a button down here at the bottom that says Submit. I'll click Submit and I'm done. Please note that you cannot go back once you've hit Submit. Your course requests are stored in the system. If you wish to make changes, you'll need to contact your counselor. So please be thoughtful when making these choices and carefully consider what classes you are signing up for your junior year. Good luck.